Good morning. I hope you're having a great day. So that sunrise is blinding. So get like a little bit right here. Maybe that's not too bad. It might be making the video quality a little bit diminished. It is actually chilly today. I woke up and it was 57 degrees. What? And now it's like 62. And I think the high is 82. So it's an awesome day. Next week is like 90s and hot and terrible all week, which I guess that's to be expected in August. I can't believe it's almost August. I was thinking, oh, this winter I could do a recap video of, a day in the life of a flower farmer. And then I just started giggling because I was like, well, it'd pretty much be like, well, I'm seed starting. Oh, I'm harvesting. I'm pulling weeds. No, and I'm making pretty bouquets. That's what the video would be because that seems like what I do. So I'm getting ready to go harvest now. I'm going to try to get my farmer market bouquets made bright and early. I think last week I pulled weeds and put it off and then did it at the end of the day. And then it was like, wow, I'm tired and it's late and I was just finishing up. So today I'm going to harvest and then I'm going to get right to making those farmer market bouquets. And then I will show you guys my farmer market bouquets. And if you want, you can pick your favorites. And of course, tomorrow's the farmer's market. And I feel like I'm on Groundhog Day. But every day there's new flowers. Like I'm really loving the celosia right now. I think my town likes the $5 bouquets. Pretty much I'm getting all of my little containers back to make more. Okay, so I thought I would just kind of show you some of the processes. So first, I get all of my vases out and get them filled with my water that has Flora Life flower food in it. So this week I'm going to make 7 of my bigger vases. So I put 3 on the turntable and then I kind of put these scattered because otherwise the foliage like catches with each other and it gets annoying. And then I made 9 $5 little bouquets and I have them all wrapped up. And then over here, I'm trying something different this week because I have sunflowers. So I have 5 of my normal smaller $10 bags. And then I have these mason jars that I wrapped. So as you all know, sunflowers are heavy. And my florist actually has sunflowers. Like I think he has them that he grows. So I need to get rid of my sunflowers. I grew probably too many and I don't really have an outlet. And I haven't been selling them because there is another person at the market that sells sunflowers and I have a lot of flowers, but I also have sunflowers. So I'm gonna make them into sunflower bouquets, not just straight stems, and see if I can sell them. Like if I put 2 or 3 in one of these and sell it for like $10. Because I think he actually sells the straight stems like 3 for $5, which is like so cheap. But that's, it is what it is, and that's what he can get, and that's how many he has, and that's what he does. So that's what our town is used to paying when they come to the farmer's market. So I'm gonna stick with like that, and then I'm gonna make them into nicer bouquets and just try to kind of push them because otherwise they go on my burn pile and they're not doing me any good. Nobody gets to enjoy them, so why wouldn't I? I mean, I know a lot of people come on here and they gripe about prices, but to me, I enjoy that people are getting flowers. I have an abundance of flowers and I think it's nice to like make the bigger bouquets and use them. And so I'm going to try to make nice bouquets and we'll just see if they go or not. So I usually start with putting my greenery in everything and then I start just plucking in different color combinations. I know like a lot of flower farmers will like find a bouquet or a thing that works and then they'll just make a ton of those, but I don't really sell that way. At the farmer's market, people like the variety, people like different colors. So I end up having to I can't really do it a like fast and true way where I just lay everything out and make the same bouquet a bunch of times. I tried that and it works, but then people ask me, do you have orange? Do you have red? Do you have purple? Do you have different colors? So I just do all different colors. It's a small town. I'm not selling like hundreds. Like as you see, I have like probably 1726. So what I'll do though is I always use Cosmos right now this time of year. That's the foliage. It lasts, it looks pretty, it's a flower. And that's really all I have. I do want to get more shrubbery and more bushes. I do have the Mahogany Splendor Hibiscus, and it's almost fall, so I'm going to start being able to use that. But it just didn't, for me, it didn't have the summer vibe. Like, I couldn't make that dark, deep maroon color look summery, so I just didn't use it. But I'm getting ready to use it. I actually cut some today. I'm going to make a couple fall-looking bouquets because it's almost August. I'll see if anyone's ready. I'm not ready. I like summer. I like the pinks and the purples and the light colors. But I'm going to see. There might be some people that are all ready for fall. So I'm going to make a couple in fall colors and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, I put all my greens into each vase. And when I stripped them, I filled the little ones too, so I didn't really waste too much. And now I'm just ready to start making bouquets. I made 7 bouquets this week, and I'm going to turn you around. If you want to drop in the comments which one is your favorite, that would be great. If you don't feel like doing that, I will still, in my next video, which is on Monday, I will say with the order that they sold in. It kind of gives us a feel for what people are buying and what they're picking first. So here we go. Number 1. Number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. The damage. Well, I didn't video it before, but it was packed. I had like 4 to 5 buckets on a shelf. I'm back down to 3 buckets on a shelf and half of an empty shelf. And the oldest things in here are probably these Lysianthus from around the 20th, but everything else is pretty much like the 26th, the 24th, so just 5 days, which isn't too bad in cooler. So, moving through it. Well, that's a wrap. I got all my buckets cleaned. I'll have all my bouquets done, and I'll give you an update tomorrow at the farmer's market. I'll show you my table with the $10 and $5 bouquets. I hope everybody has a great day.